We'll do the text, and then we will need to have a pragma region systems, pragma n region. Right. So there's kind of a lot that goes in, right? So remember what I said about the systems being right, the systems are the systems are implicit, right? They're not actually explicitly defining what systems have with stuff, or what entities have with systems. The systems just kind of do their own things. So what we can do, oh yeah. One more thing that we need to do in for entity is we also need to do, is this void? I think it is void, maybe. Let's take a look. No, it's not. Entity. Create entity. We can put that in. Don't have any viewers. That's fine. I'm gonna turn that on and be done. Yeah. Okay. So in here, I'll say to create entity. Entity, create entity. What we want to do. Oh, yeah. So I want to do the current meta of the entity component systems for now. Partly so I have something that works, and partly so that we have a benchmark to compare against. And all this is going to be changed later on and refactored. I just want to get something working. This is like the hello world of entity component systems. And I want to build this project as I want to be making hello world programs for as long as possible. That way, it's just an easy, gradual step up to what it is that we're actually going for, right? So we want to create entities, right? And what exactly is this going to be doing? Well, for one, Huh. I don't quite understand this, but I'm kind of following a bit of a tutorial here. Codingwiththomas.com. But yeah, static. No, I don't really care about that. Entities. Well, so this will be instantiated once, I do believe. So we'll find out. That's the point. Okay. Cheese plus and return. And what did I name it? Max end. Sent equals input cheese and then return input cheese. Well, you know, I might just do entities. I might just do that instead. Let's just call this entities. I don't think it's actually necessary. Entities plus return entities. Because I think it'll be just fine later on. But what we want to do here is that, and then within this systems, yeah, because in, say, the dimension scene, no, I don't like game engine scene. I think game scene engine seems a little bit more pertinent to me. That's fine. Let's say scene will have a thing in and of itself that calls run, right? So I want to run. This will be a void run, right? Okay. So, being run. Scene run. Oh yeah, no, this is void scene run, and in here, do I actually want to do the whole make systems be, in the tutorial, the systems are structs, right? in my thing, the systems are structs. And then they have, in and of itself, a thing that has like an update and things like that, right? So I could do, yeah, let's do struct s print. And then here will be a void run. Lots of things need run, right? So scene run, it will just what is that called? M registry. Yeah. Because it will have it, the game will have its own thing. Right? Okay. That makes sense. So the system, so the scene will have a, so the I mean, it'll be a registry of registry. And the scene. Oh wait, no, this is wrong. Yeah, it'll be registry. This is by reference. Okay. Let's take a look at scene. And that create empty. That's fine. One doesn't need to have. Right. It's all like the update and things like that. Yeah, that's interesting. Because the update, and then where does it do the movement system? Render, and the game has the render. Okay. Okay, so that makes sense. There's a lot of work that goes with it. Okay. Don't understand why it has that, but it's fine. Let's take a look at what that means. Still don't have anything watching. as a reference declarator. In addition to, okay. So yeah, this is pass by reference. So having the ampersand here means pass by reference. Which actually makes a lot of sense. Pass by reference rather than pass by value. That makes sense to me. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Well, I don't have anything that's top down. I'll only have things that are bottom up, which is fine. Yeah, that's fine. So, I have to keep that in mind. So let's talk about, I am in the right scene, right? Yes, okay. That's good. Still no one watching. I mean, someone could be watching, and it just hasn't popped up yet. And if so, say hi. And hopefully my voice is loud enough, and you can hear me okay. Yeah, I should be audible. Okay. So, scene run. Scene, creating a scene, pop, push, all this stuff, that's good. What is the print? Yeah, we'll have a run. So, this scene. That's fine. Oh. Yeah. Because the scene is going to have some things. Because each scene yeah, I think that'll be fine. Why are you so quiet, huh? Why are you not working, huh? Okay. That's fine. Okay, so I have that, but I also need to know what things it has, right? So the scene is going to have, well, no matter what, and they will all have a registry. Every single one of the scenes are going to have registry. It's going to have an M registry, so that's fine. And then void run. So in here, let's finish making the system. One registry. So in here, void print. Okay. Print. One. I'll do that. Okay. Zero. Let's look at this again. I do believe this is a little bit weird. Yeah. Okay. So it will actually be, because the way that it works, create entity, we have entities plus return entities. Right. So you are creating things, right? So that's fine. And E is less than or equal to. So the entity is E plus. What we want to do is we want to loop through. Well, the sprint is only going to take a look at ctext, right? The registry texts, right? So if I'm going to say reg. If reg at E. Oh wait, if, well, first what you do is you find out if it exists, right? So if reg dot texts contains, so dot texts dot contains E, then what we do is say if prints I had a print. Oh, printf helps if I do things properly, right? Printf. And where's the data? Right? Where is the data? Oh yeah, it would be registry.texts. So it would be I think pretend s, pretend d, and then it would be and then this would be it's actually s. I think so. And this is the what is it? registry at, well, it would be registry.texts at E. Yeah, that should be it. I think so. Pretty sure. And I feel like I'm doing a terrible job at actually explaining all of this stuff. I think it'll be fine. And I will need to have the game.run and be for auto I in scene stack. Wait, scene stack. And actually it'd be what all do I have in here though? Where is the scene stack head? Int I equals 0 plus the stack head I plus plus. What we want to do is scene stack at I dot run. Do you believe? Yeah. But the scene, yeah, scene run doesn't need that. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I'll just make this a cout, std cout, and then this will just be reg dot texts at index E. Dot text std endo. Just do that. It's fine. I probably could have just made that a printf statement if I really wanted to, but I don't really care. It's fine. I like printf because it's a lot closer to like console.log or whatever, or console.print. It just makes a little bit more sense to me, but std cout is fine. And this will allow me to just add things. It's fine, it's whatever. Yeah, scene stack. That's the stack head, which also tells me the number of scenes in the stack, I do believe. No. So that's good. Moving to the scene, right? So for 1, we'll have s print and print is that. That's fine. Should be it. And again, this is we want to have all this stuff. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's getters and setters. Okay. So let's see. So the scene is going to have. So we want the entity test equals create and create entity. Right. And then how do I add the components, right? Because that's an important thing to do. Take a look. Right, so we also have the registry at so we can have, say, that, right? And we have registry add index test registry dot tests that is equal to the test string. Dot txt is equal to that, right? I don't really like how all this is done, but like it's fine. There's a lot of different ways to make this a lot better, but I'm also not super What do you mean? Function definition for run not found. Oh. Yeah, it's not actually updating properly. That's what's happening there. That's fine. Yeah, it's not actually finding the definition, but I think it should be fine. Yeah, it's just being really dumb, I think. Sprint. Void sprint run. Yeah, it's just being dumb. Right? Yeah. Sprint run, game, run, scene. Do scene or run. Yeah, I don't think that would be bad. How would the scene run, right? So in this case, it would be void run. This one would be yes, right. Oh, okay, void run, but it needs to have all of these are they're not static. They are well, that's fine. I can make them static. I think I will. The sprint should be not found. Okay. Void one and be sprint run, and this would be registry. That should work. Hopefully everything works fine. Let's build everything. Already defined. Already defined in post options. But why? Why are you mad? I mean, it should be a pragma once, right? Entities is already defined. What do I have on that? Entities, internal entities. Entities plus plus return entities. Why are you mad? Yeah, why are you mad? That is very strange. Says it pregnant once. And then here, the already defined in tester object. Why are you mad? I allegedly have one viewer. Hello, hello. Maybe a little bit old. Say hi in chat. Tell me what your least favorite programming language and why is it Python? I'll also accept Java as a least favorite. Let's go in and say let's say maxence. Let's say static std size t maxence is 0. Maxence equals maxence. I'll do that. I'll go with what he does there and see if that changes anything. Entities already defined. I don't understand why that's doing it. Well, let's say std size t, and then I'll say that and build solution. See if that throws an error now. Still not happy about entities being defined multiple times. Where's it trying to define it? What happens if I change this to type def? I do type def. It's not how you do type. Yes, that is how you do type def. Okay. Entity. Let's do say hi in chat if you're here. Type def gonna work. Type def might work. Type def does not work. Why does type def not work? What's going on here? I was able to type def this before just fine. Build. Rebuild solution. Okay. C++. Let's delete all this and do C++. And find the whole times. I don't understand what's going on. Define. Type def already defined. Already defined. I don't understand what's going on. Using entity equals std size t should be fine. One solution. Why are you still saying? Already defined. I do not understand what's going on here. C++ using already defined. Error. No double inclusions. Error. Okay, so it is, I'm not doing that, but Boarding. Declare type this. What? Oh boy. Templates, blah blah blah. This isn't helpful. Well, I don't understand what's going on then. But it's not being already declared in there. I think what I need to do is have a definition header guard. C++ define header guard for def. What is going on here? Dude, stop it. That's not what, but wait. Guard tech def. But I want to def enum, but define page. I want already defined, but it's not the way that I want to do it. I want to guard against multiple inclusions of include guards, gates, include yeah, because there's the pragma once, but pragma once doesn't guard against the include. It doesn't include This is getting frustrating. I mean, I guess I could just change it all to size T. I don't really like that. Error files. How do I prevent this though? Oh, this is going to be forced dark mode. I don't understand what's happening though. If not def, define types H, type def, enum bool. Hash if and def int type hash def type hash if. This should be good. Hopefully, good solution. Hopefully this works. Because at this point, no, it still doesn't work. Why doesn't... But there's no... There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. C++, type def, library. Okay. Type defs are handled at compilation time, so you can't. Structs define a memory layout and offsets into the structures are handled at compile time to insert the right offsets. Handled at compile time and can't be. You can declare these in your library's header file as external constants similar to the externals. Code and declare the constant itself, which you can do with a define as well. But I don't understand why. Define arbitrary number extern costs, but of the... What is going on? Yeah, I don't understand what's happening. Because what's happening is that, like, this header guard isn't even working. Right? Right, because the type def is being defined multiple times because I'm including it in multiple objects. But I can't get away from that, even though I have a pragma once. So how do I avoid that? I mean, the only way around it is if I just don't type def entity. Right? But then that defeats the whole purpose. Okay, in C++, including type def in library. Let's take a look at what Microsoft Learn has to say about using and type defs and stuff. Because that might have something to do with it. Using identifier equals type. Using counter equals long. Okay, so that's in the C++. Right, and then I can do include new. Include vector, include IOString, name, okay, type test. But I'm not entirely sure if it's in the thing. Right? So I feel like I'm doing something else wrong. What is going on in here? Engine. Build solution. So type def should be fine. Type def already defined. Error. C++ type def already defined error. Can be redefined as many times as long as it's the same type, but it doesn't. No such thing, nor is it needed. With a single project, you should not have the same type def alias referring to different types ever. As a violation of ODR, you're going to create the same alias with the same type and just do it. The language allows you to perform the same type def as many times as you wish. We'll usually catch that particular ODR within the same translation units, but it is in a different translation unit. So okay, so how would I actually pull this off? Because I want this to include the header, and the header is going to have to include the type def. Otherwise I can't use it in here. You know, I'm just gonna say std size t. Just gonna say std size t. You know, I'm gonna say quick actions and events fit feature signature. Is there a way that I can take a look at it? Go to definition? Yeah, it's fine here. It's just a type def. Yeah, it's just doing that. So it's just doing the size T there, which I think is fine. So I don't understand why it's not working here. To be size T. If I change everything to size T's instead. Alright. Well, that should work. Alright. So if I build the solution now, it should be fine. Where? Foxfire H. Red. Size T. See if there's more errors. Probably more errors. But it's not. What the hell? What is going on? No. No. Clean solution. Why does it think that it's still being defined? Oh. Wait. Build. No, upstairs. Entities. Oh, I'm a dingus. Because it's being defined here, it's being redefined. Okay. Using entity equals td size t. It helps if I actually read, doesn't it? And here I can say entity. It's not a problem with the thing, it's because what's happening, okay, I'm a dingus. I am so smart. I'm so stupid. Where is it? Into okay. Entity. It's fine, it's typed up, it doesn't matter. Entities, and then down in somewhere, in here I can say entity. Okay. I can't define it, it's being redefined, it's not being redeclared. It doesn't matter if it's being redeclared because it's just a doobly jam. God, I'm a dingus. Entities equals 0. Right? And this should work. Should be able to clean the solution and then build the solution, and it should just work fine. Empty entities redefinition. So I need to have an if def for that, right? Yeah, I should do a header guard here. Okay, if hash if mdef entities hash define entities hash mdef should do a declaration there, because now if I build solution it should be fine. Why is it saying it here? That's the thing that's strange. And use plus plus. Okay, so I can do static. Entity mint equals 0. Mint plus plus entities equals mint return entities. If I do it here, then it should be fine, right? So I should be able to do all that. Entities. Because in here, I think that's what he does. Except I don't know, I can't tell. This is really frustrating, because I don't understand why it's not working. Because it should. Well, yeah. But all these aren't in different things, so I should be able to build a solution. Entities. It's being declared, and it's pragma 1, so it's still being defined. In multiple locations. Why is it being defined in multiple locations? Why are you being defined in multiple locations? Create entity. How are you being defined in multiple... Oh, I know why it's being defined in multiple entities. There's something else with the name entities. That's why. Because something else has entities in it, doesn't it? No. What has... Nothing else has a thing. Push new scene. That's just an engine. Oh, hey, Gaming Forever. Sorry if I missed your post, I haven't been really looking at chat. How's your night going? Oh, and my stream chat's not updated. What's going on here? Oh, that's a little bit strange. It's a little frustrating. Can you do me a favor and put something else in chat so I can see if my overlay is actually functioning properly? That'd be great. One more multiple defined symbols found. There shouldn't be multiple symbols. Shouldn't have multiple symbols. I don't understand why it's saying multiple symbols. I'm gonna rename this to max ents. Entire why? That didn't do it. Here. Oh boy. Ents. Makes sense. Should be it. This should be that's save. Shouldn't be anything else. Good solution. Are we gonna build this time? No, max sense is also being redefined somehow. for some reason. I don't understand why. How are you being redefined multiple times? It's already being defined in... That is the declaration, though. It's being defined multiple times, and this is across multiple... I don't get it. It's being declared only once. So why is... global thing... Is this in a class? No, it's not. It's the global variable. Yeah, I don't understand why it's not letting me do it. And how is it doing it in here? Because it's saying that it's being defined multiple times. There's nothing in here that's doing it. What happens if I put that here? And so clean. Build solution and see if that works. I wonder if the regions are mucking things up. No? It's not mucking it up there. I don't understand why something so simple is giving me such a hard time. Let me take a look. C++. Global will define. Yeah, already defined. Where to define globals? Extern. You probably need to declare your global as extern in the header file. That's what I need to do. Extern. And then I'm learning so much. I'm gonna get rid of all this bloody nonsense. Expand Y. Just like that. That should be it. And then in here, external entities equals 0. That way it's all going to be good. Right? Yeah, it should be fine. Shouldn't have any more entities. Because it's a library, it needs to be external. Okay. Build solution. That should fix everything. I don't understand why that took me like an hour to find out. Bloody freaking what? Bro, oh my god. Then define it in this. Okay. So I declare it here and then define it here. Solution. Please work. Please work. Yes! I got it to work. Creating a scene. Cool. Scene is created, except the doobly jam doesn't do the thing. Because in-game doesn't run. Means that in-game, pop, game, scene, run, scene, in scene, run, sprint, run, and registry in the sprint, game engine scene, sprint, run, go through everything if text contain E. Do the do. Entities and plus So game run. Game run. Scene stack run. Wait. Void run. But do I need to make that virtual? Oh, do I need to make it virtual though? That's what I need to figure out. Does it need to be virtual? Because I need to override. And I don't like virtual functions. C++ virtual functions. Geeks for geeks. Come on. Class derived. Class derived show. Virtual void print. Okay. So I need to declare it as virtual in the header. Scene. Right, yeah. Virtual voids. That should be it. So I can override it. Okay. Should be it. This is the testing string. This is the test string. Cool. Oh, okay. You still here? Gaming Forever 65? Oh, my back. Hope you're having a good night. It's really cold this year. It's unnaturally cold where I'm at right now. So I'm in the south and it's like 18 degrees or like 14 degrees outside. It's really cold. Cool. So yeah, this is really, I really hate how this entity component system works, which is why I want to change it, but I need to figure out exactly how to do that, right? Because what I want to do, I'm thinking I want to do, at least, is have... Alright, what I'm thinking is I want to do... I don't care, dude. Go away. What I'm thinking about doing is having... Yeah, that's fine. What I'm thinking about having is... I want my ECS to be... well... I want my systems to be explicit. And I want my components to be implicit. Right. So basically what I want to do is I want to have like a system dot add E. And then I want to be able to can you have functions with initializer lists? Is that a thing that you can do? Functions with initializer lists? Is that a initializer lists, okay. That's a thing that you can do. So optional as constructor can be written as... Okay. Well, that's a thing. Calling functions with lists. Is that a thing that you can do? C++ calling functions with lists. Oh, thank you. Did my stream go out? My stream might have gone out. And welcome to the stream. V-term shell. Let's calling. Well, that's calling a list. That's creating a function list. Solve a function call. Let's see. Well, that's std list. Right, because I might. I don't know how I do this though, right? Because I want to be able to add an entity and then be able to, because I'll need to be able to set the different information, right? I'm not entirely sure how I'd want to do it. right? Because effectively I would have like s dot add e, and then I'd want to do something like, you know, text equals stuff, you know, pause equals, you know, something, right? Something along those lines, or something similar to that, you know. But I might, C++, calling functions with named parameters. Is that a thing you can do? Does C++ support named parameters? Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so I can't do named parameters, which does complicate things a little bit. Because the only other way of doing it is that you'd build... I mean, you could build a struct. And build a struct with the initializer list. Right? Alright, because what you could do is you can do something along the lines of like s dot add e equals, and then s dot struct and then do this stuff here. Right, you could do something like that. Maybe. And then you would like override the assignment? Right? Or you would override... How would you do it? How would you add in the stuff? Right? How would you add them in? Because you might be able to override... Override equals op4. Operator overloading. Let's see what operators are available for overload. Come on. Right. Ample operator overloading. Complex operator plus. I mean, C++, all operators. Let's see. Let's go to C++ reference. Let's see which ones you can actually override. I guess it depends on what it is able that you can override. Yeah, you cannot be non-member. That is just assignment. And comparison operators.